To support the launch of the limited edition JUKE Kiiro, Nissan is thrilled to be entering a promotional partnership with Warner Bros. Pictures to support the cinematic debut of the all-new epic film The Batman. This partnership will be activated in cinemas, on social media and on billboards, with JUKE imagery alongside iconic The Batman film graphics. A sophisticated pattern can be seen on the mirrors and roof edges. The latter is fading as if wind or speed blew it away towards the rear of the vehicle. The design of the JUKE Kiiro's 19 inch wheels are taken from the top-grade Techna version, but are painted black to give it a unique twist. The overall effect is to give the JUKE Kiiro an understated, daring but eye-catching look. The design for the JUKE Kiiro was LED by the team at Nissan Design Europe, in central London, where both generations of the segment-busting JUKE were designed, as well as Nissan's other segment-pioneering crossover Qashqai. Since the introduction of the first eye-catching personalization options on the original JUKE, we know how much customers appreciate the JUKE styling, and the way its personality lends itself to playful additions. The JUKE Kiiro Special version will be limited to only 5,000 units across the region and follows previous JUKE Special versions Kuro, or Black and Shiro, or White of the first generation JUKE. Like the rest of the range, the JUKE Kiiro is powered by a 3-cylinder petrol engine which is both efficient and responsive. The 1.0-liter unit features a turbocharger and produces 114 PS and 200 Nm of torque. A 6-speed manual transmission is standard, while a dual-clutch automatic with paddle shifts is also available.